Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today's video is entitled YouTube has stopped promoting Jennelle Eliana. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, if you haven't watched my last video, who is Jennelle Eliana, pause this now, click on the link above, watch that video and then come back here. For everyone else, I'm going to assume that you've watched the video last week. Last week I focused on the very sudden emergence of Jennelle Eliana, who racked up some amazing statistics on YouTube. 21.5 million views in about a month, with 3 videos, 1.5 million subscribers, appearances on the YouTube trending page. All of that I covered in last week's video. Links above, click on that. Is amazing, and I said it was very suspicious. I have nothing against Jennelle, as I said in the last video. She seems like a lovely lady. She's very funny, she's very attractive, and she's made some good videos with very high production values. The point is not whether she's a nice person or not. I'm sure she is. The point was her growth has been suspicious. She seems to be, and I stated it in the video, put my opinion is that she's a YouTube plant. She's been created and supported by the platform, and she's got amazing and phenomenal progress with her channel. With only 3 videos, she got to 1.5 million subs, and this was not achieved even by Joanna Ceddia last year. Joanna Ceddia was probably the fast growth champion on YouTube for 2018. I'll put up a screenshot of her and link to her channel below if you don't know who Joanna Ceddia is. So this week I've had a look at Jennelle's channel, and I note that it's growing still, but not at the rate that it was growing, probably as a response to all of the attention that her channel has received for the reasons I've just discussed, that her growth was very suspicious. She was supported by YouTube. So now she's gone from, if you look at last week's video, she's gone from 1.5 million only to 1.6 million. Her growth in terms of views, last week's video you can see it was 21.5 million views. So she's still got 2 million views since my last video, but she's not as prominent. Still, the community tab, not posted anything there. Playlists, no playlists, all the usual things that people do to help promote watch time and viewership on their channel, not being done by Jennelle. So I still believe that this is a supported account or a fake account, and that she's an actress. So that I want to leave you with that thought, and you can feel free to put your nice comments and your well-articulated thoughts in the comments section below, and then we can move on. We'll have a look at this once again. I don't normally come back to video topics so soon, but it was very interesting that she's, after all the YouTubers have just click on their videos, after all the YouTubers have, including myself, have called YouTube out on the sudden emergence of this channel, it's now been promoted less in her videos, are not showing up in recommended as much as they were. People are not reporting that they've been automatically subscribed as they were reporting. So definitely there's been a change, and I think that's because everybody realized, or a lot of people realized, that this was a created channel or sponsored channel by YouTube. Very strange activity, and who knows if we'll get all of the truth on this story. But thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching all the way through. As an immediate follow-up to my video last week, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, click on my face to subscribe, and click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.